Have you ever wondered how speech recognition actually works? What happens when we speak into this microphone and suddenly it gets translated and we are getting all this data from, the internet, the world wide web? Well, if these are your questions, let me explain you in the video ahead what exactly is speech recognition and how does that take place. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, my name is Afreen Rahman, and in this video we're going to talk about what is speech recognition. Now, speech recognition or speech to text is the ability of a machine or a program to identify our words that are spoken aloud and convert them into readable text. So, rudimentary speech recognition software has a limited vocabulary and may only identify a few words or maybe some phrases when spoken clearly. Now, more sophisticated software can handle natural speech, they can handle different accents and various languages. So, speech recognition uses a broad array of research in computer science, linguistics, and computer engineering. Many modern devices and text focused programs have speech recognition functions in them to allow easier or hands free use of a device. Now, speech recognition and voice recognition are two different technologies and they should not be confused. Now, speech recognition is used to identify words in spoken language, whereas voice recognition is a biometric technology for identifying an individual's voice. So, I hope you understand that difference. Now, how does speech recognition actually work, right? So, speech recognition systems use a computer algorithm to process and interpret spoken words and then convert them into text. So, a software program turns the sound a microphone kind of records into written language that computers and humans can understand. And they basically follow these four steps. One is analyzing the audio. Two, it breaks it into part. Three, it digitizes it into a computer readable format. And fourth, it uses an algorithm to match it to the most suitable text representation, right? Speech recognition softwares must adapt to a highly variable and context specific nature of human speech. The software algorithms that process and organize audio into text are trained on different speech patterns, different speaking styles, different language, dialects, accents, and phrasings. Now, the software also, separates spoken audio from the background noise that often accompanies the signal. To meet this requirement, speech recognition system uses two types of model. One is acoustic model. These represent the relationship between linguistic units of speech and audio signals. And second is language models. Here, the sounds are matched with word sequences to distinguish between the words that sound similar. Now, what applications is speech recognition used for? So, speech recognition systems have a few applications. One of them is mobile devices. So, smartphones, we all know, use voice commands for call routing, speech to text processing, voice dialing, voice search, right? So, users can respond to a text without looking at their devices, especially while you're driving, right? On Apple iPhones, we have, Siri, we have speech recognition, powered keyboard, even, in Apple, and Siri, which is basically their virtual assistant. So, functionality is available in secondary languages too. So, speech recognition can also be found in word processing applications like Microsoft Word, where users can dictate words that can be turned into text, right? You have this application available in education, right? Speech recognition software is used in language instruction, right? The software hears the user's speech and offers help with pronunciation. It is especially very useful for people who are intellectually disabled, right? Third comes customer service. Automated voice assistants listen to computer queries and then they provide helpful resources. So you have bots, right? A lot of bots on Zomato's or Swiggy or anywhere you would see, you always have these customer service bots available for you. Healthcare applications. Now, doctors can use speech recognition software to transcribe notes in real time into healthcare records and avoid that terrible handwriting that they usually are famous for, right? It's for court reporting. Software can be used to transcribe courtroom proceedings. Precluding the need for human transcribers. They are used for human recognition, right? This technology can analyze certain vocal characteristics to determine what emotion the speaker is actually feeling, right? So paired with sentiment analysis, this can reveal how someone feels about a particular product or a service, and in the end, hands-free communication. So drivers use voice control for high hands-free communication, for controlling phones, radios, and global positioning systems, for instance, right? So this was a very short, crisp video on speech recognition. I hope you found it useful. If you did, let us know in the comments below, or hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and follow our channel for more such videos. Thank you.